Trust me and you will see. Oh, honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want.
Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying polygel nails at home. I was browsing on Amazon and came across polygel and I said, you know what girl, I'm going to try this because I've heard a whole lot about polygel nails at home and how strong they are and how they are just like acrylic, just a little bit easier to do. So without further ado, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I did my polygel nails at home, and girl, how I got my hands on fleek, okay, for less than $40. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So here is how my nails were looking, and these were actually the press-ons that I put on in my previous vlog. So as you all can see, my hands need some TLC. Okay, you guys, I only had these on for a few days, but since I work a lot and I do a lot with my hands, like cleaning the house, things like that, I definitely break my nails quite frequently if they are not strong enough to uphold. So in order to take off my press-ons, I'm not going to be soaking them off. I will be using the Kiss glue off in order to get my nails off. Y'all look at my sad thumbnail, okay, on the verge of breaking, okay? This is the face of stress. Anyways, what I'm doing is putting this on my nails, and that way once I go to pop them off, it will be easier to remove them. If y'all have not seen my mom's video on her nail channel about this product, I definitely recommend checking it out. It is a great buy, and you will love this if you are a person who wears press-ons frequently. So now I will be swatching and sharing with you all the beautiful shades that I got in my Vrenmol polygel kit for just $19.99. You get 6 shades in here.
You're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been.
So these are the nail tips that I will be using, and they are stiletto shaped, but I will be cutting them down into square, as you all will be seeing in a few seconds, like right now. So as you all can see, I have my nail tips all applied and shaped up now, and now I will be prepping my nails for the polygel process. So I'll be using this AZUREBEAUTY Nail Prep Dehydrator. You do not have to use this one specifically. You can even just use alcohol if you'd like, but if you're interested in this particular one, this and everything that I use in this video will be listed down below for purchase. Now I'm going to be priming my nails with this nail primer that is also by AZUREBEAUTY. This and the nail dehydrator came in a set together. So what I'm going to be doing is applying this to my nails, and then right on top of this I will also be applying my poly gel. This is going to help the product to really stick to the nails and adhere to them and stay on for a longer, more extensive period of time. So definitely make sure that you spend a good amount of time prepping those nails and getting them prepared for that poly gel. Now please do not skip this step because this will make the process of laying your poly gel a lot easier. I will be using the MelodySusie base coat and base coating all of my fingernails, okay? And then I'm going to cure this in my lamp, and then I will be getting ready to apply my poly gel, okay y'all? For real after this step.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes.
So the time has finally come. It is now poly gel time, and I will first be using the shade Pink Mauve, and I will be applying this shade to my pinky and also to my pointer finger. And all that I'm using to move this product around is alcohol, and I'm also using this brush from a cart that I will also leave listed down below for you guys.
I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make you love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be hard to make you love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
So I'm using the shade Diamond Pink, and this is a glittery pink mauve shade. And what I'm going to be doing is applying it to the tip of my nail, and then I'm going to cure it and ombre the mauve shade that I used on my pinky and also my pointer finger on the bottom half of this to just sort of ombre the shade in and create an ombre effect, I guess, pretty much what I pretty much just said. So all that I'm doing is smoothing that out, and you don't need much poly gel. That is one thing that I want to make sure that I let you guys know. A little goes a long way with poly gel.
'Cause I know it will be hard to make you love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
So I did end up applying that diamond pink shade to my middle finger and also to my thumbnails. So after then, I will be top coating my nails. And did I say that this was after filing and buffing? If I didn't, well, I just said it. That was after I had filed and buffed my nails. And poly gel is so soft, you guys, you could just use literally a nail file to get it done. You don't need any type of electric drill. So I'm top coating my nails to give them a nice shine.
Yeah. I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, 'cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules.
So after curing my top coat, it is now time for cuticle oil, and I am using this one by Cugio or Cugio, I'm not sure how to say it, but it will be listed down below, you guys. And all that you do is apply this around your cuticles, and I love this cuticle oil, you guys. It smells so yummy, okay? It smells so delicious. I have been using this cuticle oil for a little bit over a year now, and it's one of my favorites, most definitely. So this is the finished result for my poly gel nails, and I must say that I really love the way that these turned out. Let me know down below if you will be testing out poly gel yourself, and let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up and by leaving a star or a heart down below. That lets me know that you all would like to see more videos like this and or similar to this.
Let it shine on you, yeah. Huh.
And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your lovely comment, and thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to come in, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.